Think you know everything about the solar system? Let's put that space brain to the test with a round of true or false. Here's how it works. If you think the statement is true, stand up. If you think it's false, sit down. Keep track of how many you get right. No cheating. Let's blast off.
It's game time with Super Simple Sheets. Ready to play?
First up, the sun is a star. Stand if that's true, sit if it's false. That one's true. The sun is a giant glowing ball of gas, just like other stars, but way closer to us. Next one, there are 9 planets in our solar system. Stand if you think that's true, sit if you think it's false. That one's false. There used to be 9, but in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, so now there are 8 official planets. Here comes another. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Stand if you think it's true, sit if you think it's false. That's true. Neptune is planet number 8, way out there in the coldest part of our solar system. Try this one. Earth is the only planet with moons. Stand if that's true, sit if it's false. That one's false. Many planets have moons. Jupiter alone has over 90. Next up, Mars is known as the red planet. True or false? Stand if it's true, sit if it's false. That one's true. Mars looks red because its surface is covered in iron oxide, basically rust. Let's keep going. The asteroid belt is located between Earth and Venus. Stand for true, sit for false. That's false. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter, not between Earth and Venus. Here's one. Uranus spins on its side compared to the other planets. Stand if it's true, sit if it's false. That one's true. Uranus is tilted so far over, it basically rolls around the sun like a barrel. How about this one? The planets orbit the sun in perfect circles. Stand for true, sit for false. That one's false. Planet orbits are elliptical, which means they're shaped like stretched out ovals, not perfect circles. Next one. Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the sun. True or false? Stand if it's true, sit if it's false. That one's true. Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. It's the hottest planet in the solar system. Last one, make it count. The moon shines because it makes its own light. Stand if that's true, sit if it's false. That one's false. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects light from the sun. Nice work, you made it to the end. Let us know in the comments how many you got right and which one totally stumped you. If you had fun, check out our other science games and see what you can learn next. See you next time, and stay curious.
Thanks for watching. Use code YT25 at supersimplesheets.com to get 25% off. Just for our YouTube viewers and only for a limited time. Browse our best-selling curriculum-aligned workbooks packed with hands-on activities and ready-to-go worksheets.